When you think about death, all of a sudden you have a new perspective on everything. Most of the things that you're afraid of suddenly become laughable. They suddenly become a joke. Death is really liberating. Thinking about death, meditating on death is a very, very powerful practice. It's been there in religions, spiritual teachers have talked about it, personal development teachers have talked about it. And it's truly something that I think everybody should invest some time and energy in, because there are many benefits. So, for example, the first benefit is you become happier. Why? Because you know how sometimes you look at somebody and say, why you so dead, yaar? Why you so dead? So, when a person is in that zoned out state like a zombie, and they think about death, what they realize is this is anyway coming. What I'm doing right now, like this, is anyway coming. So might as well be somebody else. So first of all, you become happier the moment you think about death, because you realize your time is limited. Secondly, and this is very profound, your aims change. Your goals in life change. When you think about death, all of a sudden you have a new perspective on everything. So maybe the thing you were obsessed with yesterday, you go like, damn, that's not really important. I'd rather do this. Screw that materialistic shallow thing that I was changing. I'd rather do this. I'd rather go live in the mountains. I'd rather do whatever. You get what I'm saying? Your entire direction in life can change if you think about death. And it's automatic. You don't have to logically think about it. It's automatic. And that's what I love the most, because I'm lazy. I don't want to intellectually grapple with philosophies and whatnot. Death just makes it effortless. Automatically you think about things which are more meaningful. Moving on, death also helps you overcome your fears. Because when you're going to die, does it really matter who rejects you? Does it really matter if people laugh at you? Does it really matter if you lose some, small business deal or something? You get what I'm saying? So most of the things that you're afraid of suddenly become laughable. They suddenly become a joke. And another thing that teachers are always talking about is presence, being in the moment, right? How can you be anywhere else when you're looking at death straight in the eyes? So again, you become present, you're living in the moment when you're thinking about death. It's the same as, let's say you're walking in a jungle and you suddenly see a bear or a tiger. You're not going to be thinking about the future or the past. You're there. So thinking about death actually kind of brings that level of presence with it, without the fear and danger of actually being with a tiger. And there are many, many benefits, but one more that I want to tell you right now is love. So when you think about death and when you're really meditating on death, you realize love is one of the most important things in the world. If you ask people who are dying, if you go to old age homes, one of the things you will hear them say, the most common thing is they miss this person, they miss that person, they wish they had told this person they love him or her, and so on and so forth. So you immediately give importance to your relationships. And that's so profound, man. And that's so profound. You know what I'm saying? And all of this is the best part, is it's effortless. You don't have to push yourself to do it. You just have to think about death, and automatically you will be like, man, I should call my friend and tell him that I love him. You know what I'm saying? But the difficult part is watching this video and intellectually registering this as, that makes sense, will not do it. This only works if you actually meditate on death. If you actually look at a dead body. That's why Aghoris and Tantrics, they have all these weird meditations where they're staring at a dead body and meditating. So if you actually look at a dead body, or you go to a cremation ground for a walk, or you close your eyes and think about death really, only then will this work. This won't work intellectually. You get what I'm saying?